Hey, Dan, what's up, brother? Oh, yeah? I hope everything's okay. You're talking about a doctor appointment? Iron Man Dan in the house. Everybody, come say hi. Check out his channel. I'm still waking up. Plus, this is quiet mode. I don't want to chase off the birds. I didn't do that. There she goes. There she goes. She's squatting it down, spreading her tail feathers. Well, she's not squatting so much, but she's a funny bird. Look at her. Spreading her wings. Huh. Are you a funny girl? Look at that. Yeah, she looks dead except for her head's moving. Cool. I've never seen it. No, that's what I was saying, Georgia. When she came in, she laid down. She was eating with her mate, and then the mate took off. Now she's just laying there again. I've never seen that before. Oh, wow. I wouldn't watch that video. That's terrible. Oh well, shit happens. This Mother Nature. My cat's still killing birds, but very few these days. Very few. I don't remember the last time now, so I guess she's outgrown it. She was a youngin. Oh, she took off. She probably saw me.